Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to build a professional website using Claude AI in just a few minutes. First, open Claude AI in your browser. You'll see a prompt asking, how can Claude help you today? Select the tone or style for the response. Concise works best for clear and easy to follow answers. In the input box, type a detailed request like, I want to create an e-commerce website about clothes. I want the styles and layout to be similar to Nike's website. Please help me write the code using HTML, CSS, JAVASCRIPT, and liquid press enter, and Claude will start generating the code for you. Sometimes it might say it cannot copy a website exactly. If that happens, simply rephrase, don't replicate Nike. Give me example code for a similar modern layout. Claude will then produce clean, modern website code with sections for HTML, CSS, and JAVASCRIPT. Next, you need to test the code. Open any online HTML editor in your browser. You'll see separate tabs or boxes for HTML, CSS, and JAVASCRIPT. Copy each section from Claude and paste it into the corresponding boxes in the editor. Click Run or Preview, and you'll see a working version of your website. It should include sections like a product display, cart button, and basic animations. You can now edit the content, tweak the design, or download the files to publish on your hosting. While Claude AI is great for building websites, I recommend Poppy AI for even better results. It combines multiple AI models and makes tasks faster and easier. And that's it. You now have a basic, professional-looking website built using AI in just a few minutes.